Look inside any modern manufacturing plant, and you are immediately confronted with massive scale. These are sprawling ecosystems of heavy machinery, vast utility corridors, and thousands of interconnected components moving raw materials into finished products. These environments are in constant motion. Production lines are reconfigured to meet new demands, heavy machinery is swapped out, and physical infrastructure expands to accommodate growth. As the physical plant changes, so do the people. Operating teams rotate across shifts, specialized contractors come and go, and safety standards are updated. Over time, the specific knowledge of why a system was built a certain way or how a specific process used to run simply fades. This creates severe documentation gaps. When engineering teams try to plan a complex maintenance intervention or plant managers attempt to onboard a new contractor, they often hit a wall of ambiguity. Navigating these blind spots causes operational friction and delays. An industrial facility changes faster than human memory can track. Without accurate records, that undocumented history becomes a liability for the organization. The standard corporate reaction to this problem is to hire a traditional media production team. They bring in lighting, stage the operators, and shoot glossy, narrative-driven videos to capture the facility. Those media assets are engineered for external engagement. Industrial marketing content prioritizes brand promotion and aesthetic appeal over technical accuracy. A highly edited, cinematic promotional video is useless to an engineering team trying to verify structural clearances for a capital expansion. Staged photographs cannot reconstruct a safety incident during a regulatory audit because the technical context was sacrificed for the shot. Solving operational continuity is a data retrieval challenge, not a creative branding exercise. Industrial visual documentation is a structured, evidence-driven process engineered for long-term technical use. It relies on three rigid principles: context before composition, which preserves functional meaning; repeatability over one-time capture, utilizing fixed viewpoints to track changes; and fidelity without operational interference, safely navigating restricted areas. When you apply these principles to manufacturing, you get unvarnished clarity. Actual production environments are recorded step by step, mapping out the exact mechanical sequences and material flow patterns. The same methodology supports environmental, health, and safety programs. Dedicated visual capture documents exact hazard communication protocols and provides a record of personal protective equipment adherence on the floor. Rigid capture standards turn individual files into a verifiable, compliance-ready record of site conditions. Documentation extends beyond the factory floor. When ground access limits visibility, drone-based aerial capture provides clear records of areas that are otherwise difficult to inspect. Aerial acquisition allows teams to monitor sprawling manufacturing campuses, perimeter access points, and construction milestones during major expansion projects. Comprehensive visibility requires matching these macro infrastructure records with the micro details of daily process documentation. The final output of an industrial documentation program is not a collection of loose photos or raw video files. Without organization, retrieval is impossible. Instead, the visual data is structured into a searchable operational knowledge layer, organized by site hierarchy, area tagging, and date indexing. This allows departments to extract value. Plant managers pull visual baselines, safety directors access precise environments, and EPC teams validate mechanical construction. This structured visual record ensures that audits are supported by evidence, training is standardized across shifts, and operational continuity is maintained through every transition.